Boost your gold trading. How to use PPI data in the US. Before we start the video, we would like to remind you that we are not the trading consultant or financial advisor. We just share the theory and my understanding only. Please use your understand and take advantage from my video to make any decision at your own risk. Again, please make any decision at your own risk. Okay, for today's video, we're going to talk about PPI or the Producer Price Index in the US and how we can take advantage of this information for gold trading. Gold has been a valuable asset for centuries, and it continues to be a popular choice for investors. But with the markets constantly fluctuating, how can we stay ahead of the game? One way to do this is by keeping an eye on the PPI, which is a key economic indicator released by the US government. The PPI measures the average change in prices that domestic producers receive for their goods and services. This data can give us insight into inflationary pressures in the economy. As a trader, you can use this information to make informed decisions about your gold trades. Let's take a look at the PPI release schedule. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics releases the PPI data on a monthly basis, usually around the 11th or 12th of the month. After the release, you can analyze the data to see how it compares to market expectations. If the data shows higher than expected inflation, it could lead to a rise in gold prices. On the other hand, if the PPI data shows lower than expected inflation, it could lead to a decline in gold prices. Armed with this information, you can make trades accordingly and take advantage of market movements. In summary, monitoring the PPI release schedule and analyzing the data can help you make more informed gold trading decisions. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative. Happy trading!